Okay, let's do this. There, done. All done. Isn't that happy? So for those of you who don't know, Hand Tool Rescue just recently released this screwdriver. It is massive and it is so much bigger than it needs to be, but it is absolutely gorgeous and I've been wanting to work with this for a while. So I thought I would make some hand scales for it. No, I'm not going to be using these ones. They're kind of fun. He provides the files for these so you can actually print out your own if you want the plastic, but I'm actually going to be making some wooden ones today. But I kind of like the look of the pink. Maybe I'll keep them. I'm trying to slice my finger. It's a really good fit. Number 773. Yeah, let's do that. Cover the other side. Whew, that was off. Huh, I don't like that. One. I get one out of that. That should be like that in there. A little bit of the belly. A little bit. One. Do you want the inside of the line or do you want the outside of the line? Ta-da! Ta-da! Likes it. Okay, now let's do the whack whack thing. See what we get. Should I do it with a saw first? Let's do it with a saw first. Oh, I like that a lot. That's looking good. Here's my dip stops. There we go. Now to a rough shape. Let's do a little more detailing and clean this all up. That's feeling good. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I like that a lot. Now that is pleasant. So there you have it. A really, really big screwdriver. Now this one is from Hand Tool Rescue. He started making these, and they're a remake of the Perfect Handle screwdriver, and they're one of my favorite. They're just the absolute most amazing screwdriver to hold. And this is the first one he's been making. It's been a couple years in the making, coming out. I'm thankful they're finally here. This one is so big, you're probably never going to use it for an actual screwdriver, but someday you're going to come across that screw and be like, I've got the screwdriver for it. He has been talking about making other regular sized ones. Those may be coming out soon. If you want to buy them from him, you can actually get them with the handles already on, or you can buy the kit where you can do your own. As soon as I saw he put out the video with them, it was like I had to go snag one, so I bought one for myself. And I am in love with this thing. Don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm loving having it. So I hope you like this. This is a great project, something that's just a lot of fun, because fitting wood to an exact size in metal is a solid skill. And once you can get that down, you can do a lot of other things. So give it a try yourself and see what you can do. I hope you like this. If you did like the video, please hit like, comment, subscribe. All those things really do help out the channel. And I say that quite a bit, but it's true. The algorithm really determines who gets to see the video. So thank you for helping out with that. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to the patrons on Patreon, members here on the channel, and everyone who is scrolling over here on the side. Literally, we are keeping the lights on with you, so thank you. Without you, this channel would not exist. If you'd like to help out with that and keep the channel going, you can find out more in the description down below and join Patreon, or you can become a member and click the little join button. Thank you for that, and that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. A screwdriver. It's kind of like a truck driver, but different.